Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Have you ever wished you could swap out the music on your Instagram reel after hitting post? For years, this was a frustrating no, forcing us to re-upload content. But here's the exciting news. A brand new 2025 update now allows you to change your reel's music asterisk after asterisk it's live. This game-changing feature solves a major headache, giving you much more flexibility and control over your published videos. It truly transforms how we interact with our creative content. Before this fantastic 2025 update, changing the music on a posted reel was practically impossible. Your only real option involved deleting the entire reel, which, as you can imagine, was incredibly frustrating. All your hard-earned likes, comments, and views would vanish instantly. Creators often faced a tough choice: keep the existing music or completely restart their content's journey. It was a significant barrier to spontaneous creativity and quick adjustments. The 2025 update brings a highly requested functionality directly into your hands. Instagram has introduced a new edit reel menu that specifically includes an option to change audio. This means your content is no longer set in stone once it's live. You gain the power to refresh your reels, keeping them engaging and relevant for your audience. It's a significant step forward for creative freedom and post-publication flexibility on the platform. So how do you actually do it? It's surprisingly straightforward. First, open the reel you want to modify from your profile. Then, tap the three dots located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the options that appear, you will now see a clear selection titled Edit Reel Audio. Tapping this will take you to Instagram's music library, where you can easily search for and select your perfect new soundtrack. Confirm your choice, and your reel's music will update seamlessly. This 2025 update isn't just a small tweak, it's a huge win for everyone on Instagram. It eliminates the frustration of starting from scratch, saving countless hours of re-editing and re-uploading. Now, you can adapt your content to current trends or simply correct a past music choice without sacrificing your engagement. This feature fosters more creative freedom and ensures your reels continue to perform well, giving your content a longer, more dynamic life online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.